you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kayla. So for today's video we do have another headband wig. This one is from Unice Hair. Like I said, it is a headband wig, so I'm just going to show you guys really quickly everything that comes with your packaging. So inside they send you this little bag. So you have 2 stocking caps, I believe. I'm just going to open it. 2 stocking caps. This one is a satin head wrap, and of course on there it says Unice and has their logo and whatever. Also get some lashes and oh, I got another chunky headband. Told you guys I hate these. I just don't like how bulky they are. So they send you quite a few different headbands. So we got the chunky one. They also send this one right here, this polka dot looking one. We have a cheetah print, and then just this one right here. So in total they do send you 5 different headbands. This is so cute. So they send you a little cute Christmas bracelet with the little charms on there. This is really cute. This is what the wig is looking like. This is what the wig is looking like. The hair is super soft on it. Again, this is their blonde highlight headband wig. As usual, on the inside it does come with 3 combs. You have 3 on the top and then 1 in the nape area. So this is to attach in the back of your head. And of course it has that elastic band right here to secure your wig. So because my cane rolls are like braided so tight, I gotta go searching for these baby hairs. Like that, I have a quick fix. This hair is really pretty, you guys. It's also really soft, really pretty. It's really nice and silky. It doesn't have any smell to it, like no chemical smell. Obviously they did bleach this hair, but there's no chemical smells, but it smells really good actually. I'm quite surprised. So yeah, the hair is really soft so far. No shedding, no tangling. I do believe I got this here in a 24-inch. I'm just gonna put it in the back and show you guys what it would look like from the back. It's not ironed yet, so it is a little crimpled. But I don't know if you guys can see, but that's what the back is looking like. Yeah, that's what the back is looking like. The hair is pretty long. So yeah, that's what the back is looking like. The hair is pretty long. I know you guys are always complaining that we usually don't show the back, but if I was to stand and pull it to the front, when it comes to like straightening my hair, if you guys watch a lot of my like straight hair videos, I feel like I'm like the only YouTuber who does this. My parts and the way I be straightening my hair is in like some big chunks. I just don't have time for like those small sections. And it's not like I'm going anywhere, so it can go on with the big parts. So yeah, like I be parting the hair so big and I just like run the iron over it. The thing is, I have a really good hot iron, so that's why it's so like my hair be straight, but it's just that like I don't take my time to like really like get each and every section. So the front might be straight, but the back might have some lumps and some bumps. But yeah. Okay, so I'm really liking this. This headband wig is super cute. It just looks so bomb. Wigs comes in so handy because when you wake up in the morning and you gotta be outside, let's say wait, within the next 15 minutes your head ain't combed, you ain't brushed your teeth yet, you ain't even took a shower yet, but you know for sure that you cannot go outside with your head looking the way that it's looking right now, definitely get your headband wig, because all you have to do is clip it on, swoop them little baby hairs, and that's it. That's it. I call them, to me these wigs are some like TryOn and Go type of wigs because it's so like there's no work required. You don't have to do anything at all to your hair. You could get them in different styles, different textures. Like the curly ones, you really don't have to do anything at all. A straight one like this, you would have to like straighten probably every 2 days. You don't have to straighten it every day. Some days you can wear it wavy. The thing with these headband wigs is that it gives you that advantage to like still look presentable with like the minimal work. So you really don't have to do any work. You just throw them on and go. That's it. That's it. Swoop the baby hairs. Make sure you have some edges though. Swoop the baby hairs. There's some of them that you don't even have to like lay baby hairs. You could just put the headband like directly over your edges. So depending on how you want to wear it. But at the end of the day, these wigs are my favorite because like I said, I don't have to do any work. I get up in the morning, I know I have one of these sitting somewhere in my closet. That's what I'm going for. I don't want to have to get up in the morning having to think about having to go glue on a wig or, you know, lay it down with adhesive or nothing. That just takes too much time. Like I said, if you're like a busy individual, like you working, you going to school or something, these wigs are perfect for you because again, there's no work required. So this one is really nice. I'm going to try some different headbands and show you guys what it would look like with the different headbands. But I'm definitely loving this one. And the color also is really gorgeous. And yeah, overall this is really bomb. I don't know why I put this jumpsuit on because I really don't even know why it has shoulder pads. Like it's a bodysuit. Why does it have shoulder pads? Have me out here looking like a whole quarterback. Fashion Nova needs to get it together because they definitely need to get it together. So the first headband that I'm going to try is the bulky one that I don't like too much. I don't know. I find it look weird on me. Hey, there's people out here that love these, but just like it's a preference thing. So for me, I don't really like them like that. They're just a little too bulky. But okay, let me try it and see. Okay, I feel like I need to pull my hair up on. So yeah, that's what that one is looking like. These just, the freaking bulkiness of these is just, it just doesn't do it for me. I don't know how you guys can like these, but I feel like it's just my face. I have a big face, so like this does not help with that, so no. But yeah, this is how that one would look. I'm gonna try a different one. This one's cute. I like this one. So this one's cute. I actually like this one. You know, it kind of like matches with my outfit, so yeah. This is pretty much it for this video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me trying on another headband wig. You guys are so probably tired of these headband wigs, but yeah, I just wanted, you know, I want to try different ones, show you guys what they look like and stuff like that. So I'm sorry if I'm like killing you guys with these headband wigs, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think you guys video comments down below, let me know how you guys feeling this one. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Probably the next one might not be a headband wig, but it'll be something. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you did enjoy this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. I have a lot of videos here on the side that I've linked for you guys. And yeah, click one of these videos right here on the side. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.